Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a kitty burrito. First, understand that a kitty burrito is a gentle way to swaddle your cat, offering comfort and security while making routine care, like nail clipping or administering medication, much easier. It helps keep both you and your feline friends safe and calm during potentially stressful moments. Always prioritize your cat's comfort and never force the process. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a soft, clean towel, ideally one that's about 24 by 36 inches, which is a good size for most adult cats. Make sure your cat is already feeling calm and relaxed. Never try this if they are agitated. Having some delicious treats ready will also be key for rewarding them later. Now for the wrapping. Lay your chosen towel flat on a stable, comfortable surface, like a bed or a clean floor. Gently place your cat onto the towel, ensuring their head is near one of the shorter edges, leaving their head exposed. Take one side of the towel and wrap it snugly over your cat's body, tucking it underneath them. Then, take the other side and wrap it over, securing it firmly. After successfully creating your kitty burrito, it's crucial to offer immediate praise and a small, tasty treat to reinforce the positive experience. Always observe your cat closely for any signs of discomfort or stress, and release them promptly if they seem unhappy. Remember, the goal is a calm, safe experience for everyone. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.